So we are here at Rafa's garage. Today we're working on this big boy right here. We're going back to stock suspension because this car does have Megan coilovers. We're gonna do that. Do alignment and then give it a nice little detail inside and out. I don't think I have the keys. Let me get the keys for this. But yeah. There it is. 12s in the top. That's 3 of them. And then 19 on these, a 10, that's if you have ABS, and a 14 for the brake. And the sway bar is either, could be different sizes, anywhere between 14 to 17 depending on what aftermarket you have. And then you might need a, what do you call them, these right here? Having a brain fart. I don't know the size on that one. It could be different also, but that's about it. I'm gonna put the stock ones back on and do the other side. There you go. One side is done. Now to do 4 more. There goes the passenger side. Let me just put the other one back on. So there it is, going back to stock heights. Now I gotta do the rears. Now to take off these plastics, so I get the bolts over there, which I think is just this one. So rear one's out, 3 bolts up there. These are 17s, usually they're 14s. 19 right here. I did a 17 right here and a sway bar right here, which these could change, but other than that, the other ones are the same. All done. Let's put this back together, or this tire back on, and go on to the next one. Coilovers always come out easy because they're shorter than these. That's why it came off, but I still took off this and the sway bar so I could bring it down some more without struggling. So yeah, time to clean this car. It's fucking filthy. Got a couple of stains right there, right there. I'm gonna try to take them off as much as possible, get it cleaned up, ready on the market. These wheels are like dirty.